Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And as you can see, we're going to talk about learn how to turn $100 one time into $2,000 plus per month. Okay, and again, I'm Terry Brown. I'm the creator of the Secret 3 Pages Blessings program. And personally, I think this is a great program for anybody with a desire to make some extra income, okay, from the comfort of your own home. So the question is how would you like to receive, $100 direct payments to you? You get 20 of those direct payments in a month, and you're earning $2,000. So we're going to talk about this, and you can determine whether or not this is something that you may be interested in. Okay? So let's talk about the Secret 3 Pages in this section here. Okay, the Secret 3 Pages is designed to help you to quickly get unstuck in your life if you are feeling stuck in your life today. And many people are, okay? Some people don't want to admit it, that they are stuck and feeling stuck, but that's the way it is, okay? The Secret 3 Pages is designed to help you to empower your mindset, okay? And to help you to get out of fear into possibility thinking and living, and also to help you to overcome any self-limiting and self-defeating attitudes and behaviors that you may have. And the thing about that is that sometimes these self-limiting things are hidden and we don't know what's going on, but we're not moving forward in life like we want to move. These Secret 3 Pages have the information that's going to help you to move out in your life in the way that you want to. Okay, we have a system to help you to quickly improve your personal power. So I want you to check out now on the website what you get, okay? And you'll get even more, because we under promise and over deliver. That's what we do, okay? Okay, now obviously I'm not going to share everything about this program in this video. I do have a website that you can go to with some information there, and that's worth to do if any of this sounds, if it resonates with you. I'll put it that way. Okay, but let's look at this together. It says $100 one time out of pocket to receive multiple $100 payments. Okay, this is a peer-to-peer funding program. This is a give a gift and receive a gift program. Now the idea of gifting and giving is here, but this is not a gifting program. Why? Because there is a product that's involved here. So you give $100 one time for the Secret 3 Pages. You're going to pay that to your sponsor, the person that introduces you to the program. Okay, you're going to receive $100 from them, and if you're a sponsor, guess what? You're gonna get that $100. Okay, the thing is to get in the program and get going. All right, and then you're also going to have the rights to market the program. Now, we under promise and over deliver, and I want to emphasize that point there, because there's a lot more here than really meets the eye, and so you have to really think about where you want to go, what you want to do with your life, because we do have things that will help you in our program. Okay, get out of fear into possibility thinking living, and being. Get out of fear into possibility thinking, living, and being. A lot of people are held back in life. Why? Because they're afraid. They're afraid to move out from where they are. They're afraid to experience other things. They're just, fear stops people in their tracks. Fear helps people to procrastinate and to procrastinate and to procrastinate. And we're going to help people to get out of fear into possibility thinking, living, and being. Okay. This is a serious money generating program. All right. We're just launching. It's brand new. All right. And, we're here for people that want to make a change in their life. Okay. The program is simple. It's easy. It's straight forward. Okay. And if you can copy and paste, you can do this program. $100 for the secret 3 pages. If you really, really, really want to change your life, you take $100, okay, one time out of your pocket. You give that to your sponsor. Okay, your sponsor will send you the link to the secret 3 pages. The secret 3 pages will help you to change your life. Okay, and of course, we have a monthly newsletter you'll be connected to. I mean, this is really a powerful, powerful program. Yeah, it's brand new. A lot of people don't know about it yet, but guess what? I'm going to make sure that the information gets out here. All right. And so that people, individuals, so that families can start generating some income that they so much deserve to generate. Okay. And I'm going to introduce you to a free website system that you can use if you want to use it. Okay. You don't actually need a website. I like having a website, and we've got a free system that you can use. And all you have to do is copy and paste the messages in that website, absolutely free. And then you get started and you can start sharing this program anywhere online. Okay. All right. Now, before I touch on this, I do want to say this, that you can use any payment processor that you so choose to use. All right. Now, I do have my favorites, and I think work well with this program. You might have payment processors that you use that will work well with this program as well. Okay. You have heard it said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Absolutely. What you may not know is that giving and receiving is a universal spiritual truth. When you give, you are a blessing, and you open yourself up to receive blessings. You become blessed, and you may be blessed right now. All right. I believe you are blessed to be a blessing. Okay. Okay, but there you have it. Learn how to turn $100 one time out of pocket into $2,000 plus per month. Okay. And absolutely, there are no guarantees that you're going to make that kind of money. But guess what? The potential to make that kind of money, to begin to receive $100, multiple $100 over and over again, to receive $100 daily is real. Okay, it's real. You just have to take courage, take that step, and get started with us in this incredible, the secret 3 pages blessing program. I'm going to leave the link to my website. All right, and you can take a real good look at what we have to offer. And what we do is we under promise and we over deliver. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye bye now.